Hello everyone, how are you doing? If you are new to this channel, make sure you watch this video to the end, like, subscribe, and make sure to turn the notification button so that every time I drop a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Trustpilot. So there are so many techniques you can use to make money on Trustpilot. So make sure you watch the video to the end and I'll teach you how you can do it. So the first thing you have to do, you have to check. Let's just check what is Trustpilot. So this is the website. So Trustpilot, how does Trustpilot works? So a lot of people use Trustpilot. People like companies, agencies, and friends. So if you have a website and your website is here on Trustpilot, people will trust you and people want to work with your company. So then one of the techniques where people use to trust people website on Trustpilot is because if you have a standard profile and Trustpilot recommend you as trustworthy, so people would like to work with you. So let me show you how you can make money with it. So the first thing you have to do, you have to choose categories. So choose categories. So these people, doctor and surgeon, they are, because those people who do doctors and surgeons, those are the richest people. They have money, they have music, they have money back. So we have to check their page. Let us check it. So if you see here, so many people have these are some websites, some companies, some agencies, companies. So you can see them. So what you have to do is we have to go to like page 4. So let's go to like page 4. So once you go to page 4, you see this website, Sagely Etsy. So sales for review. So you just have to click on here, copy their email address. Copy their email address. Go to your sticky notes, paste it there. I'm not checking it. So let's check for another one. So we have to look for people with low reviews. So people with low reviews. Look at this one. It has 5 reviews. So let's check its mail. This is what they are made. So copy it. Go to your sticky notes. Paste it there. And continue. So let's check for the lowest rating. So this one has 4. Copy their email. Go to your sticky notes. This one's has. So these people that doesn't has email. So you can check their website. Maybe there's an email address there. You can use to contact them. But if they don't have email address, so you can just save their number on your phone. Check if they are on WhatsApp. If they are on WhatsApp, you can chat them from there. So let's skip this. So let's check this. Okay, this one also doesn't have emails. These ones have emails. So copy the email. Go to your sticky notes. So you have to generate as many as possible. So those people with low review, you have to generate as many as possible. Copy the email address. Come here. Paste it here. So generate as many as possible. So let's go to page 5 because you usually find some low quality people in page 5. So let's go to page 5. Check. So you can see this website. It has 2 reviews. Sticky notes. You see these people with bad reviews. You can also scan them for. If you are here, you know a service called bad comment remover. So bad comment. So you can scout the people for bad comment remover. can scout them. So after you have generated enough email address you want to use, so the next thing you have to do is that you can scout them for bad comment remover. So maybe to remove their bad comment, bad review that they get on Trustpilot, or contact them to add a new review for them so that people can trust their website and people can partner with them while their website is on Trustpilot. So then you can also contact them for website redesign. If you check their website and you see that there are some things that is bad there, so you can contact them and let them know that their website, there are something they need to implement. So maybe they can redesign their website so that it can attract people and a lot of customers. Or if you have another marketing strategy that you want to use for them to help their business grow, so you can contact them with the emails. So this email, if you want to contact them, you can just go to getresponse.com. So getresponse.com. Let's check it out. Getresponse. So you see this website, just register with this website after you have generated enough emails you want to scout for. So after you have generated enough emails, just register with this website, add it as an email list. So if you understand how to get response, you know how to use it. But if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section, maybe as we make a video on how to use it. So once you generate all the emails you want to use, just input it into this website, GetResponse, and create an email newsletters. So once you create an newsletters, blast it to, maybe you have generated up to 100 email address, just send it to all of them at once. So after that, you scout for another one, send it. So small people will be replying to your message. So from there, you'll be getting clients that from there you will be able to land a job. So that is how to scout on Trustpilot. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So thanks you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And let me know what you learned. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Thank you.